Okay, Barry, wish me luck. Now, this is the entrance to the house, as you can understand. And I'm slowly walking towards the kitchen. Don't expect me to commentate right now, okay? So, now this part is my favorite. This is my island. I've got lots and lots of cupboard space, and I can do a lot of things on the bench. As you can see, we removed the middle partition and have enlarged the kitchen. To be quite honest, I'm getting dizzy taking this. Okay. We also put this parcel to separate the living room, dining room. It's cloudy today, there's no sun. Now, over here you can see we put another cupboard. Cupboards, to be honest. Underneath the microwave I have my pantry. Okay.